Hi, my name's Lorraine and I have just finished a 2-day course with Feel Good Hypnosis, and I have to say it was fantastic. Having felt a little bit sceptical around hypnosis in general, it has alleviated all of my concerns. I kind of was thinking, how do you feel? What's it going to feel like? Will it happen? Is he going to take me to this deep dark place? He didn't do any of it, but I have to say, whatever he did, and I now know what he did, it was fantastic and I feel amazing. So thank you, Turin, for taking the time and having patience with us. We've tried to put it into practice a little bit over this weekend and had lots of fun with it, by the way, and I'm really looking forward to putting it into action. Thanks again.